Listen, dear Amitabh, you can see me. You can see I have a small banana plant in my hand, right? These are the dried leaves of this banana plant, and this is the leaf lamina. This one is, you can see, this one is the leaf lamina, right? Where is the leaf base? This continuation is the leaf base, right? Can you see this? And it comes up to here, right? You see this dried leaf. If I remove this dried leaf, its leaf base comes up to here, right? So where is the stem? You see, this one is the stem. I am removing these dried leaves, the leaf base, and you can see in this dried leaf, can you see? I am removing these dried leaves. So you can see this leaves base. You see this leaf, its base comes up to here. This is the leaf base. This is called sheathing leaf base of banana, right? This is sheathing, this is supportive. You see, this is all leaf. Can you see? This one is leaf base. I have taken it out, right? This one is leaf base. So how will you label? This is lamina, in onion you did. This is lamina, this is midrib. Veins, you can see parallel veins. Then this extension comes up to here. This is leaf base. This is sheathing leaf base. Another one I am taking, you can see. Where is that leaf base? See, can you see the leaf base of this dried leaf? This one is the leaf base. You have to label accordingly. You have to draw a plant of this kind, and you see I am removing another leaf base. If I will remove all the leaves from here, you see this one is not stem. You should not confuse. This one is not stem. This one is, you can see, leaf base. Can you see this? This one is leaf base. So this whole structure that you see as a stem in banana, this is a small banana plant. So this one which appears to be the stem of this plant is not the plant. This one is the overlapping leaf bases. You see, if I take the leaf base of this dried leaf, this leaf base comes from up to here, from here up to this bottom. You see, I am removing this leaf base also. Whole of the plant will be gone. What you see as a stem, you can see this. So I have taken another leaf base. Can you see? So this is the leaf base. This overlapping means leaf base just one above the other. As in onion you saw, this leaf base, this made the main plant body. It appears to be the stem. This appears to be the stem, but this is not stem. This one is leaf base, right? And this is the extension of midrib, and here this one is the leaf lamina. This one is leaf lamina. So you have to draw a banana plant of this kind. So you will label as leaf lamina, leaf tip, midrib. Then these are the veins, parallel veins. Then this one that comes downward, this is the leaf base, and up to here. So just below this one, the corm-like structure that you can see, this one is stem. This much is stem, right? And just below this one is the extension of root. Can you see this? This is the root. Focus here. This one is the root. You can see this one is the main root or primary root. And from primary root you can see these other roots have come out. This is secondary root. These are the secondary. So primary root starts from here and this goes up to here. This is root system. These are the roots. You can see it held some soil particles with. I removed most of the soil particles that were caught by these root hairs, and this fine structure hair like structures are called root hairs or tertiary root, third kind of root, right? So here we have the fibrous root system, not the tap root system, because this is not going deep. This is from the corm of another banana plant. So from here this is root, primary root, and this one is the secondary root that comes. These are the secondary root, and from the secondary root you can see you have this from secondary roots, you can see this hair like structure. This is tertiary root or third root. Clear? So, how will you label? Look again. This one is leaf lamina, this flat portion, or leaf blade. This one is the midrib. This one is midrib. This one is the margin of the leaf. This one is root tip, and this that comes up to bottom is the leaf base. Right? This is the leaf base. And just below this comb like structure, ball like structure, this one is stem. You will label this one as stem. And below this you can label this root. In this primary root, then from primary root you can see these roots have come secondary root, and from the secondary roots these root hairs or tertiary roots. Right? So, this banana plant is mainly made up of the leaf base. You can see this appears to be in a grown up plant. When you go in a very well developed banana plant, this structure becomes very thick. Very thick means up to this much thickness, or even sometimes thicker than this, right? Just by the overlapping of these leaf bases. So, this way you have to draw and label. Is that clear? As in onion you have seen one leaf base, then above this one more, then above this, and this takes the shape of a bulb. Similarly, this appears to be stem, but this is not stem. Clear? Is that clear to all of you? Not all of you, you Amita, right?